Welcome back to the video, to the vlog, to the channel, whatever you want to call it. This video is going to be real quick and not going to say sweet. It's going to be something real quick. I'm doing this video, to let you guys know I am going to go ahead and just say screw it and go as far back as possible with everything, all the videos, with everything that I have, and just go ahead and just say screw it, upload them, get them up, and get them out of my hair. That way I don't have to go back and try to catch up on what I didn't do and what I did do, the yada yada yada. So we just gonna go ahead and get all the videos done, and all the videos that I'm working on now, go ahead and get all those uploaded after I do this one. Like I said, I'm kind of like out of tune on, or should I say out of whack, should I say, with the videos, because in fact it's like I uploaded a video that shouldn't have been uploaded until another video. But at the same time, I'm gonna go ahead and just say screw it, like I said now just before, and go ahead and upload all the videos and get everything done. Only videos I will not upload is the ones for the shed build. I'm gonna do the ones that's dealing with the cars, and the ones that, you know, with the car show, and the other ones. There's one I'm working on right now. There's more to it, but there's, you know, car show, flashlight shootout, all that good stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and get those out the way before the year is up, so that way I'm just gonna have a whole bunch of content I'm gonna hit you with for before the end of this year. I'm gonna hit you with all the content that I have recorded over this year. But like I said before, I will not be doing any of the shed videos, because in fact this is car content, not what personal builds, anything like that. But the things I like doing videos, but if you like that stuff, just let me know and I might upload it next year. So we're gonna get this started, get this uploaded, so that you guys can see this video before you start seeing all the other videos that I'm planning on doing. And I'm recording this on my phone because the fact is I didn't want to go grab my GoPro. This is quick, fast, and easy. I can get to it, upload it, get it done, and we can get this started. So I see the video is 2 minutes and 25 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and cut it here. I'm going to say like, subscribe, comment, share. And if you want to see more videos on the Honda, I was going to say the Prelude. If you want to see more content on the Honda Accord and any other videos I plan on putting out, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified on all the new stuff that I got coming for the Honda Accord, I have been ordering a lot of stuff, been looking at a lot of stuff and things like that, going to find some other things. I got a video I want to tell you about that one, but that video should be coming up soon. And you know, if you want to see that video, go ahead and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified, and hit the subscribe button and all that good stuff to be notified, and subscribe to my channel so you be in tune on what's going on with the channel, and you won't be surprised when I upload a video. You know, according to this video, you should be up to date. So I'm going to say thank you for watching. Stop all the chitter chatting that I do, and we'll see you guys totally on the